This is Opie's new fort. He's created by pulling the lining down from the couch. He just scared the crap out of A because he looked under and he shot his hand out at her and she screamed. He's gonna pull it into his house. I love how he sticks his hand out like the hand from Adam's Family. What you doing, Ope? What you doing, dude? Push under it. Make him jump out like a jack-in-the-box. Push under the lining. He's gone under now, as you can see. You gotta give it a little more of a push. Ah! Look at his hand. He shoots it out so funny. You put your arm in, mister. Pull him, see you pull him out. Grab his little hand and pull him out.
Oh yeah. Yeah. You grab his hand. I'll make it.
Go ahead. Can you grab it and pull it out? It's his favorite game.
I can't pull his arm.
You can. He'll come right out like a little. He likes it.
Whoa.
He thinks it's funny.
He's too fat now.
No, he's not. Grab him. Come on,
You're lying.
I swear to God, he likes it.
Come here.
Grab his little hands. That's why he puts them out.
Oh, Opie, I get him. Uncle, cat, kitty, cat.
Opie, let Andy Keeney pull you out. You know you love that the most. See how the couch now has a permanent slump to it because he and Pouncey get in there and wrestle. Okay, grab it. Come on, Keeney.
He won't do it.
Here, you hold it. Ah! Here, you hold it. I'll show you how it's done. Come here, you little baby boy. I want these buddies hands right now. Ah! Yeah! I got you. It's not going in. Beat me. It's like Scotty, beat me up. Did you see how he beeps right up? I get you, Mr. Pretty Boy. You love. Got you. Scotty, beat me up. Where are you, cuckoo pants? I see you right there, you cuckoo pants. I see you. You get your little hands out here. Put them in. You put your hands in here right now. Where'd he go? He's hiding. Come on.
Who are you looking for?
He's in the couch.